these are the 4 drum locks. These are the 4 drum locks. In future, if you want to transfer the machine in a transport.
Sir, ಯಾವ machine ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? 8 kg. ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಓದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಅದೇ 7 kg machine ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಸರ್ 1600 ಆಯಿತು. ಹೌದು ಸರ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೀಲ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಅದು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ 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 ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ. Support it.
Capacity can put 30% should be empty while washing. After every wash, you need to clean the rubber with a dry cloth.
Okay.
And this glass also.
Okay.
In this, you can put a liquid detergent or powder detergent both. And this is only for the comfort.
Okay.
And this one is soaking option. If you want, you can use. Otherwise, you can leave it. These are the program. First one is cotton. If you want to wash only cotton clothes, you can wash the cotton clothes. Cotton label in the sense thickness cotton bedsheet and all you can put in a cotton label. Next, only synthetic clothes if you want to wash, you can just go with the synthetic clothes. And next, mix load. Regularly you can use a mix load. Mix load in the sense all kind of cloth wash here. So delicate silks and all, you can just go with the delicate silks. And woolen material, if anything is there, woolen material you can use. And drum descaling is a very important program because we don't ever give you like free service and all for 1 month, 2 months like that. Descaling itself is the service for you. I will give the drum descaling powder. You have to put 50 grams of drum descaling powder here and make a program for the drum descale, and you have to make empty wash without adding the clothes on the program.
Okay.
Every 2 months once is enough. And rinse. If you want to wash some clothes outside by hand, you need just rinse in a machine. You can just go with the rinse. And spin and dry, just after rinse you need just a spin and dry. You can just go with the spin and dry. And sportswear, if you want to wash, you can just go with the sportswear. And dark jeans, if you want to wash, you can just go with the dark jeans. And next, allergy plus for the hospitalized patients, medicalized, that kind of cloth is there, just go with the allergy plus. And kids wear, if you want to wash, you can just go with the kids wear. And freshener for the rainy season. In the rainy season, we will put your wash and put outside for the dryness. That time rain will come and wet the clothes. You can just go with the freshener. And quick wash, if you want, like 15-30, both options you have. In the sense, below 2 kg of cloth, you can just wash in 15 minutes. Up to 3.5, you can just go with the press. Speed, it will change to automatically 30. You can use on that time 3 kg of cloth in a quick wash. Okay, this is the start and reload. You have two options. Start in the sense it will start. Reload in the sense it will take the some more clothes in a middle. Okay, anti-tangle, while spinning there will be tangle sense. If you don't want a tangle, you can use the anti-tangle. And speed, it will change 13-15 option. And delay start, you can make the schedule minimum 1 hour up to 24 hours. And spin speed defaultly setted. If you want increase or decrease, you can do. Temperature also defaultly setted for each and every product. If you want increase or decrease, you can do. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And
it's having inbuilt heater, right?
yes, definitely. Take out the clip and take it the collection of water outside and place it once again. And remove this one and wash in every 1 month.
Okay.
With a dry cloth or something. Just wipe it and place it. What's the cost of machine?